Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ustadz mau tanya, nanti dijawab dengan raise hand. Ya, raise hand-nya yang kuning aja, jangan yang biru.
Oh iya.
Tahu kan bedanya?
Oh iya. Reaction itu loh guys, reaction.
Oke. Anak-anak, Ustadz mau tanya, yang berhasil berjibaku, one of you or two of you that have adding score on your game.
Aku.
Raise hand, please.
Oh iya.
If you okay, Karisa, okay, Karisa and Akila and Kea yang berhasil ya. Okay, one by one, I want to see your work and share your, what is it?
Screen.
Yeah, share your screen, please. Okay, start from Karisa. Share your screen, please. Are you ready? Not yet?
Not yet sih.
Okay. I will give the chance to Kea. Are you ready, Kea, to share your screen?
Dulu aja Ustaz.
Belum dibuka juga. Akila, are you ready?
Wait, Ustaz. Ongoing.
Tapi Ustadz ini skornya ini tambah 6 terus nih aku.
Tambah 6 terus?
Iya.
Siapa ini?
Karisa.
Oke, coba share screen aja dulu, Karisa. Silakan, kita lihat. Bisa ya share screen ya. Oke, Karisa mau share screen.
Agak aneh, oke.
Kamu langsung mengarahkan ke codingnya, Karisa.
Oke. Udah kelihatan dah Ustaz.
Siap. Oke. Kamu arahkan ke, kok banyak banget kalau watermelon sama strawberry-nya, kok banyak nilainya?
Hello.
Oke, coba kamu lihat yang watermelon. Ustadz melihat watermelon. Skornya ditambahkan berapa itu? Oke, saya melihat dulu. If touching ball, change score of watermelon by 1. Oke. Ya ini udah bener ini. Coba yang strawberry. Tapi skormu sampai 200, gak kebanyakan tak itu.
Apa-apa.
Oke, good Karisa, ini sudah bagus, sudah benar ini. Oke, coba yang lain.
Aku, Ustaz.
Stop sharing. Thank you Karisa. Oke ya, can you share your screen?
Aku, Ustaz, aku udah.
Kea sudah belum? Are you ready Kea? Not yet. Oke, Akila. I give you chance. Change score by 1, oke. Oke, coba jalankan. 1, minus 1, lose.
Yes.
Oke, good. Oke, anak-anak, Ustadz akan jelaskan lagi aja. Kita akan jelaskan lagi gimana cara membuat Oke, ini ya. Cara membuat skor. Ini Ustadz pindahkan lagi ke My Stuff. Ya, Ustadz bikin yang lain. Untitled, see inside. Ini kelihatan ya anak-anak ya? Have a look my screen.
Yes.
Oke. This is my screen. Before we add the score, it's just like this, okay? Remember, yeah? This is banana. Now, if you want to add the score here, you can add at the banana. How we add the score, we can add here under the variable. Under the variable, you click under the variable, you click under operator, there is variable, orange one color, and make variable. And we give the name as score. Yeah, the name as score. And then we click OK. Then there is score here. So set the variable. You can put the coding here. So set variable to null atau 0. So set the score, not my variable, but score to 0. And then if touching ball here, then change the score by 1. Okay, so we can try like this. Okay, by 1. And then if Y position under -80, you can change the score by -1. Jadi kalau misalkan if you touching the ground, so the score will be -1. If you touching the ball, the score will be 1, added by 1. So after this, you can give him sound. Change, there is sound. Do you hear the sound? Do
Yes,
you hear
I
the
hear.
sound?
Yes.
See, I will share the sound again. Here. Tambahkan sound. And then if touching the, what is it, the ground, you can add the sound, but we change it chomp maybe. Okay. And then we can give him, if touching, we give him something new. Before that, make the backdrop. Yeah, he does the backdrop, and then this does the backdrop, and then this, we click, right click, klik kanan, and then duplicate. And then give him the name as you win. Yeah, you win. And then you can write down here. Yeah. And then you give him you win.
Nggak usah pakai R.
Okay. And then make it very big.
You.
You.
Without R, Ustaz ya?
Ya, Ustaz.
You.
Without
Win.
R, Ustaz.
Okay, you win. Like this, yeah? Give the name, yeah? Don't forget to give the name of the backdrop because, why? Because we will set before that looks. If start ya di sini ya, set score by 0, you can switch backdrop to, this is must backdrop boardwalk dulu. But if we can add if Tambahkan lagi if ya. Tambahkan lagi if. You can put here or you can put outside and then add this one. What is it? Control by when clicked. So if operator, we gave operator, we put here. And then the variable is scored, we put here. And then this will be 10. If the score equal by 10, so the looks switch the backdrop to you win. Yeah, but don't forget to switch backdrop to bird walk in here. Ya, jadi atau you can put here, it's okay. Sorry, you can put here also. Switch backdrop first by boardwalk, and then if score by 10, you go to the wall, you win. Don't forget this to here. Okay. So the backdrop refers key to play. The backdrop is as the first, ya. Backdropnya yang pertama. But if I get 10, oh, not yet. The score by 10. Okay, why if we put here? If score 10, switch backdrop by 10. Try. So if you win. Okay? And then you can stop all of here. Ya, kalau sudah selesai. Oh, you can ever play ya. Okay. This is how to add the score. And we have time now. I will give you time to make like this. Adding score to your game. Okay, say by basmalah first.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bukan yang udah.
Oke, coba Karisa lihat Ustaz Zaki. Karisa udah kemarin kan tadi udah share belum?
Sudah.
Udah. Oke, yang Kea sudah share belum tadi? Yang mau share silakan angkat tangan. Akila kan sudah tadi ya. Maksudnya yang sudah nambah skor, coba tambah halaman yang disebut game over. Yang sudah berhasil nambah skor tadi kan sudah ya. Yang sekarang ada yang sudah nambah skor? Yang sudah berhasil nambah skor hari ini? Coba siapa tadi yang bilang sudah? You can raise your hand, please.
Mau tanya Ustaz.
Yes.
Ustaz. Itu yang cara ke backdrop you win itu gimana Ustaz caranya Ustaz?
Oke, saya lihatkan lagi ya. Loading song. Untuk nambah you win, backdropnya kamu paint.
Paint.
Ya, atau kamu bisa pergi ke sini sih sebenarnya.
Kita mau lihat yang skor tadi.
Ya, saya lihat di sini, customs. Jadi, kamu klik dulu stage. Nanti kamu pergi ke backdrop sini. Nanti kamu tambah di sini. Ini kan kosong ya?
Ya.
You can add one by what? How to add? First, you right click and duplicate.
Oh yes.
After duplicate, you can add text and you type you win. Don't forget to change the name of the backdrop ya. Backdropnya diganti nama you win. Why? Because nanti di codingnya nanti bisa kita tambahkan di sini backdropnya switch to yang you win, bukan yang bird walk, tapi when green flag click switch backdrop to bird walk dulu. Jadi di awal dia yang bird walk, tapi kalau ketika dia skornya 10 dia tambahkan you win. Nah, ini cara menambahkan skor. Don't forget to add set score to 0. Baru di sininya nambah yang set if-nya, tambahkan change and change. Seperti itu.
Oh yes.
Oke. Ada yang sudah berhasil? Dimas, how are you?
Ya Ustaz.
Are you finished?
Tinggal nambah yang dulu saja.
Oke, sip. Oke, nanti kalau sudah selesai, if you finish, you can capture the photo and send to me by WA, okay?
Okay.
Okay. That's all from me. So we can meet you next week to the another game. Yeah, another game. We can join a new game. We can make a new game. How we make maybe a shooting game, or like what is it? We can make a jumping game and so on. Yeah, we will meet the next week.
Nanti yang apa game over dikirim ke Ustadz.
Yes, di foto aja nggak usah. Kamu foto yang game overnya, yang pas
Foto
game over.
codingnya Pak?
Bukan, ya gamenya, yang pas kamu pas game over kamu foto gitu aja, nggak apa-apa.
Oh, ya,
Oke, that's all from me. Mohon maaf jika ada yang kurang. Thank you very much. So we can meet you at next week ya. Thank you very much.
Ustaz Zaki.
Yes.
Halo Ustaz Zaki.
Yeah, I will make you.
Saya tadi terpental. So Ustaz Zaki hostnya. Sekarang dipindahkan ke saya lagi.
Oke, sip.
Thank you Ustaz Zaki. Thank you Ustaz Zaki.
Thank you, Ustaz Zaki.
You're welcome. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you Ustaz Zaki.
Welcome.